Trump just left Beijing. Boeing came home with 200 jets. Nvidia came home with nothing. I live in Shanghai. I have been inside Chinese factories for 25 years. I speak 5 languages on these factory floors. And what I am about to tell you is not in any newspaper. It won't be for at least 60 days. If you run an American business that touches a Chinese supplier, a Chinese factory, or a global supply chain, by the end of this video, you will know 3 things that change what you do Monday morning. Let me show you. Change number 1, Boeing. Let me explain what 200 jets means beyond the headline numbers. $35 billion in aircraft, 3 years of production locked in to one buyer. Boeing has roughly 10,000 American suppliers, components, electronics, engines, interiors spread across 44 American states. When 200 jets get locked in to the China order book, every one of those 10,000 American suppliers prioritize the China queue. What that means for you small American business, if you compete for the same machine shops, the same component fabricators, or the same logistic capacity that Boeing suppliers use, you just move down the priority list. Not because anyone called you, because the capacity got allocated without you in the room. Change number 2, Nvidia. Trump cleared Nvidia H200 chips for sale to China in January. Proved 10 Chinese companies, Alibaba, Tencent, ByteDance, JD.com, Lenovo, the Beijing summit was supposed to seal the deal. Well, it didn't. China just refused to buy them. Not a single H200 chip has shipped to any Chinese supplier. Beijing told its companies to develop their own chips instead. And if you are sourcing AI infrastructure for 2026, that refusal just became your problem too. Here is what this means for your American business. Short term, American AI services stay supplied. Your ChatGPT bill, your cloud bill, your Microsoft Copilot bill should stay stable through Q3. Long term, China is building its own AI chips right now. Instead, 24 months, Nvidia's biggest growth market may close permanently. That changes the chip pricing math for every American business that runs on AI. Change number 3, the 25-year Shanghai signal. Here is what I'm watching inside Chinese factories this week that I have not seen in 25 years on this floor. Factory bosses are moving fast, not panic in coordination. Production schedules are being rebuilt around the new Boeing order book, the chip standoff with America, and the 3-year framework the 2 governments just locked in. The factories that win the next 36 months are positioning today, not in 90 days. Today, the American businesses that buy from these factories have 60-day window to position too. After 60 days, prices, capacity, and timelines will be locked without them. So here is what to do Monday morning. Move 1. Call your top 3 Chinese suppliers this week. Voice call, not email. Ask them one question. What changed for you after summit? The way they answer tells you where you sit in their planning. Move 2. Recode your top products this month, not next quarter, this month. The pricing models your team built in January do not match what just happened. Move 3. If you have capital tied up in inventory shipping from China between July and October, visit your supply in person. That visit moved you up their priority list faster than any email chain. This is not a politic video. This is not a documentary. This is what I see from inside Chinese factories in Shanghai every week. I post when it matters. Next Thursday, I am breaking down the exact phone call American business owners should make to their Chinese supplier to move up the priority list. Subscribe so you don't miss it.